Ebi bigambirwa barukurira kampu egi hamwe n'abakurukuruga district y'Isingiro obabire nibabuganaho abahibo buhwezi barukwera empungiza na Kivale hamwe n'abanya-Uganda abatwire hihi na kampu egi.
Can we get assistance maybe to complete our building here? We have the health building which we are working on. We are failing to finish. Is that possible? Can it be possible as host districts? I usually here in the north, host districts are benefiting somehow.
Abarukurira kampu egi nabo borekerengu ekyetengo ky'amarwariro agaryo mu mwanya ogu kugakwangusibwa kikayongera aha mutindo gw'ebyobwegese omu kampu egi.
With the head of sub office to expand this school such that it can accommodate this exorbitant increasing numbers every year. So it's really a big challenge, as you can see.
Amashomero agaryo mu mwanya ogu gino buremezi bwo kubura ebyombeko birukumara hamwe n'oburaro obw'abashomesa.
Scholarships nyingi akuba sazino abantu bengi benda kujja kusoma, abasubiki bengi benda kujja kusoma kwa ifiko batanga kandi tongera kusaba na UNHCR tongera kutoa contracts ezo kwa desks na uniforms mukabana betu bega business batakabigira musomero.
Amarwariro nago hona gino buremezi nubwo bumwe nko kubura amajwi g'abashaho hamwe n'obundi buhereza.
Munonga twine obuzibwa kugamba twine ward y'ababire enchi. Ward enchi gitekubasa kumaraho ababire abamama biga kuteka hashitanda abizoba. So bwiro bundi tureba nti mazima abamama babwa hatukubateka award.
Bitu no harabe hariho buremezi obu mukuru wa kampu egi asimira abahibo buyambi aba ahabwa buyambi obu batwire nibahereza empungezi.
Where you are, it's the biggest refugee operation in Uganda. It's a home of more than 100,000 refugees from 13 different countries. But because of your support, we have been able to rejuvenate their lost hope and to keep them safely in this place. In as much as they don't have everything in totality, but at least there is life and there is hope on the refugees.
Kampu ya Nakivale erimwe empungizi rukuruga omu mahanga 13 bita ababona nibetenga obuhwezi oburumwe amarwariro, amashomero, ebyokurya hamwe n'ebindi bingi. Amakuru aga gasha kwa Ruth Nuwamanya ahabwa TV West agacenchire.